Hello, my old gauge friends. Tonight we got the Camelback 19. Long Island Railroad. Pulling some ready-made trains, tanker cars. And we got some utility vehicles and a Menards Hershey car. There we go. I got myself a small camera, and soon I'll be putting it on one of the cars or one of the trains, and we'll be filming the track from a different perspective, which I think that'll be cool. But this is probably going to be my last video for a couple of weeks because I'm going to have to be preoccupied taking care of a few other things. So I just wanted to tell all my subscribers out there, I appreciate your support. I like the comments. You guys sound like a bunch of good guys. Hopefully one day we'll meet. A lot of good people in Old Gauge Railroad. Good American people. I think about what I've done here and what else can I do. There's really not much more you can do. It would be overdone. It wouldn't look real. But I was thinking about taking this track and running it into here, so I have another side rail. Or just bringing it straight down to the end here, and do a trolley, a bumper trolley, a bump and go trolley, up and down, like that trippy trolley. That was a pretty cool trolley. I didn't buy it, but it was a pretty cool trolley. Yeah, she's pulling some freight tonight. That's a nice car with all the trucks on it. Canadian Pacific engineering car. That's where the workers hang out. Let's get a look at that car. That's a pretty cool car. I might stop in and get a bite. Looks like a little diner in there. Still wondering about this. I was talking to one of my subscribers, not talking, but you know, he was writing me. I'm thinking about a winter scene, which is not bad. Being that I live in South Florida, it might be a good idea making this a winter-looking track. You know, add a little snow here, like up in the mountains here. You know, bringing it down into the layout. Get some fake snow on the roof. I don't know. This thing goes on and on. It's a form of insanity. I tell you, it's just crazy. Things that I come out here in the garage and look at the layout, I'm always thinking about, let me move this, let me do that, let me try this. Anyway, take care, my old gauge friends. And I'll see you on the next shoot. Have a great couple of weeks. And all my union buddies out there, I'll see you on that show down there, that big one. Miami Beach. Love the sound. Listen to that sound. Take care, guys. See you soon.